Good morning students, welcome to online class. Today day 2. Students, day 1 class, what are the things we learned? First we can recollect. After that today's portion I will teach children. Yes, on that day I started the second lesson, geography part lesson. I started climate and natural vegetation of India. Climate and natural vegetation of India lesson I started children. In that day, what are the things I discussed with you through online class in the sense. Yes, what is meant by climate? What is meant by climate I discussed with you. Is it what is meant by weather I told you. Is it? Then equable climate also I showed to you. Is it equable climate, otherwise called as British climate. Is neither too hot nor too cold climate, like that I said. Is it children? Yes, moreover that what are the factors affecting the climate of India. Yes, that under that heading also I taught you. Yes. What are the factors affecting the climate of India? What are the things I discussed with you? Can you remember? Can you recollect one? Can you recollect one, sir? Yes? Shall we recollect? Students, what are the factors affecting the climate of India in the sense latitude? Yes? Latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, position of the mountain, as well as that monsoon wind, relief. The last one, jet streams. Yes, what is meant by jet streams? What I told. Yes, jet stream is the that powerful wind. Yes, powerful wind. It blows, that over the upper layer of the atmosphere, like that I said. Is it in the latitude column, in the latitude para, what are the things I told? What are the things I discussed with you? Yes, the latitude in the sense it's a parallel lines, like that I said. Is it a parallel lines? It's moving from east to west as well as west to east, like that I said. Moreover, yes, you can check the India map, children. You can check the India map. Yes, when I am teaching, please stay with the map as well as the textbook. Yes, it will be helpful to you. Children, so this is the India map. So at center, Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts. Equally, it's dividing our country. Northern part of India as well as southern part of India. So these are the things that I told under the heading of latitude. Altitude, in the altitude column, in the altitude paragraph also I said something. What are the things I told in the sense? See, what are the things I told? So this one. Yes, so when the altitude increases, when the altitude in the sense, what is the meaning? The height increases. When the height increases. When the height increases, automatically temperature will decrease. When the height increases, automatically temperature will decrease, like that I said. Is it? When the height increases, how much? That for each and every 1000 meters, 6.5 degrees Celsius will be less, like that I said on that day. Is it under the altitude column? Yes, altitude para. Yes, altitude, what is the meaning? Altitude, what is the meaning? Children, altitude in the sense height. Is when the height increases, automatically temperature will decrease. For example, yes, under the heading of the normal lapse rate, it is given in your book, children. Yes, for each and every 1000 meters height, 6.5 degrees Celsius temperature will be reduced, otherwise will be decreased. Yes, that's the meaning. Okay, so that one I taught. The next one, what I taught you in the sense, distance from the sea. Yes, a distance from the sea. It's so if the place is located, if the place is situated nearby the ocean, in the sense it used to get more rainfall. It's if the place is situated far away from the ocean. For example, I said, I think so, Delhi, the experiences continental climate, like that I said. Yes, why in the sense Delhi is our national capital territory. Yes, national capital territory. See, it is its location here. Yes, it is far away from the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So that's what I am telling. Delhi experiences continental climate because it is far away. It is located far away from the sea. We understand? Yes, so these are the things that I told. The next one, monsoon wind. Yes, monsoon wind. Monsoon wind column, what are the things I discussed in the sense? Monsoon is a seasonal reversal wind. Seasonal reversal wind in the sense, what is that? According to the seasons, it will be blow, like that I said. Is it, children? Yes, under the monsoon wind column. Then relief. Yes, relief, what's the meaning in the sense? Relief, what's the meaning? Physical features, otherwise land features, like that I said. Physical features, otherwise land features. So in this para only I told you Himalayas. Yes, Himalayas act as a barrier of our country. It protects us from the cold polar winds which is blowing from Central Asia, like that I said. Is it? Yes. So you can recollect once. Yes, after that we can go to the today's part. Okay, today's lesson. The next one, what I taught in the sense, that at the same time, Western Ghats, Western Ghats, received, high amount of rainfall, heavy rainfall. Why? In the sense it is located, it's very closer, it is located in the windward side of the mountain. Windward side of the mountain, in the sense, which mountain? Western Ghats. Okay, Western Ghats. So, Western coastal plain, it receives much rainfall because it is located in the windward side of the Western Ghats, like they are telling. At the same time, that Pune, Bikaner. So those places, it is located in the interior part. Otherwise, we can tell it is located in the leeward side of the mountain. That's what, it's receiving very little rainfall, very less rainfall. So these are the reasons that I told on that day. Then last one, what I discussed in the sense, jet streams I discussed. Jet streams. What is meant by jet streams? In the sense, jet streams are the fast moving winds, like that I said. Fast moving winds blowing in a narrow. Yes, narrow, what meaning I told? Small, like that I said, I think so. Is it? Yes, a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. So these are the things that on the day I discussed with you, children. Then do you know column, do you know boxes there? What is meant by climate? What is meant by weather? What is meant by weather? Yes, what is meant by weather? In the sense, state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. At a given point of time. So that is called as weather. The next one, climate. What is meant by climate? What is meant by climate? Now we are experiencing the Kanyakumari district, the May, June month, continuously nearly 35 years, continuously we are receiving the rainfall. Yes, excluding 1 or 2 months, we are continuously receiving the rainfall. That is called as climate. That is called as climate. Okay, children. Yes. So the next one, what I discussed with you, what I taught you in the sense of monsoon. What is meant by monsoon? Monsoon is an Arabic word. Yes, monsoon is an Arabic word. Monsoon is an Arabic word. Mawsum. Yes, from that word only it comes like that I said. Is it? So who used first this word? Mawsum, that monsoon, that word. Who used like that? Who used, I said? Who used? Arab navigators. Arab navigators, like that one word I said. And navigators in the sense of who are they? Sailors. Sailors of the ships, like that also I said. Is it, children? Yes. So the next one, what are the things I told in the sense, do you know column? In the do you know column, with the picture it is given, children. Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert is the driest desert on the earth, like that. Atacama Desert. This one already showed the last week itself. You saw, I think so. Listen, students. Atacama Desert. One word answer. Atacama Desert is the driest place on the earth. One word answer, children. Sometimes they may ask book inside as well as from the do you know column also. So we should be ready for at any time. Okay, children. So the next one, today's part, seasons. Today's part, what is that in the seasons? Okay, so last week, what are the things we learned? Everything I recollected just before. Okay, so today's part, what is that? Today's part, what is that in the sense? Seasons. Seasons in the sense of what are the seasons are there? What are the seasons are there in India? Yes, check it, this children. Check it, this one, seasons. Seasons in the sense of winter season. The first season, winter season, otherwise called as cold weather season. Cold Kulingalam. That is the thing. Okay, winter season, otherwise called as cold weather season. So which month to which month it prevails in India? Which month to which month winter season? Yes, January and February. January and February is considered as the coldest month. Yes, coldest month. The second one, what is given in the summer month? Yes, second one, what is given? Summer month. Summer month in the sense, what is that? Summer month. Yes, nowadays, nowadays we are experiencing summer climate, is it? Yes, not like that. This is the later as well as middle part of the summer season. Okay, yes, later part as well as the middle part of the summer season. Okay, so now we are experiencing little rainfall also. Every day afternoon we are experiencing rainfall. Is it with thunder? Is it heavy thunder as well? Thunder and lightning. Yes, we are experiencing. Is it summer season? So summer season, what type of the climate prevails in the sense? It's very hot and a dry climate. Okay, yeah. Very hot as well as dry climate. Which month in the sense? Which month? Summer month. Yes, summer month, March to May. March to May. The next one, yes, next one is what is that in the sense? Southwest monsoon season. Southwest monsoon season in the sense, Tamil medium students, how they are learning, Tenmerku Parva Kaatru. Yes, southwest monsoon in the sense, what is that? Tenmerku Parva Kaatru. part. Yes, we should know that another side also. That's what I am telling in Tamil also. So தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று in the sense southwest monsoon. The next one, வடகிழக்கு பருவக்காற்று, that is the northeast monsoon. Yes, that southwest monsoon month, what is that in the sense? June to September. June to September. June to September. Okay, the last one, what is that in the sense? Northeast monsoon. Northeast, October to December. October to December. So these are the seasons. It is given in your book, children. So in your book, page number 100, it is given. Is when I am teaching you, people, please stay with your book, children. Yes, what are the things I am telling you? You can underline, you can mark it in your book. Please stay with your book. Students, listen carefully. Seasons are there. 4 types of the seasons are there. What are the seasons or types in the sense? Winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon season, and northeast monsoon season. Winter season in the sense, which month to which month? Which month? January and February. The next one, summer month. Yes, March to May. March to May. March month it used to start. May month, it will be end. Yes, next one, southwest monsoon. Yes, when the schools are reopening, southwest monsoon. The June 1st week onwards, it will be start. Okay, so that's the thing. Southwest monsoon. Yes, the last one. Yes, northeast monsoon. Which month to which month? Yes, October to December. October to December. So these are the things are there, children. This only I am going to explain briefly. Okay, so each and every seasons, I am going to explain clearly. Students, each and everything is, I am going to explain clearly, children. Yes, the first one, winter season. Yes, winter season. In the winter season, what are the things are there? Yes, first of all, you have to check this chart because this one, it's very useful. It's very helpful for you to understand what I am going to tell. Okay, children. Yes, this one, the first class, the first day itself, I told you this is an imaginary globe. Okay, imaginary line, imaginary. Okay, on imagination circle, so it is considered as the globe. It is considered as the globe. Students, the center point, yes, the central point, what is that? Equator. Equator, what is that in the sense? 0 degree. Equator in the sense, what is that? 0 degree. Okay, why equator like that they are telling? Is equally it's divided the territories. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, like that, equally divided. So that's what, equator like that we are telling. Okay, equator equally divided the territories. That's a 0 degree. 0 degree. Yes, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So that's all. Okay, so this one, see, the Tropic of Cancer area, so here only India's location. India's location is here. So just before I told, by showing my map, I told Tropic of Cancer, it's divided India into 2 equal parts like that. This Tropic of Cancer only, here it is located, here I drawn. See, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree line. Okay, 23.5 degree line. Okay, students. So this line, here only, which one is located in the sense our country is located, that is where? That is India. India is located. Here what is given in your book in the sense in the winter season, what all things are there in the sense during this period, during the winter season, January and February month, what is there in the sense, what is going on, what are the things are happening? Yes, sun rays. Okay, sun rays vertically. Yes, vertically in the sense, what is the meaning? Straight, senguttaga. Okay, during this winter season, the sun rays vertically overhead in the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so India is located in the Tropic of Cancer area. So here what I am telling is in the Tropic of Capricorn area only sunrise vertically falls. Okay, over the Tropic of Capricorn. Sunrise vertically falls over the Tropic of Capricorn during the month of January. So that's a winter season. So that's what we are experiencing. We are in the sense Tropic of Cancer area only. No, our country is situated. Yes, so our people, our country people, yes, we Indians, we are experiencing what type of the climate? Low temperature, because sunrise vertically overhead in where? Tropic of Capricorn. That's what we are experiencing. What type of the climate? Low temperature prevails in the northern India. Yes, so whole part of India also low temperature only. So during this season, because of the low temperature, students listen, because of the low temperature, country fully whole low temperature, because of what? The sunrise vertically overhead in the Tropic of Capricorn. So we are here, so we are in the Tropic of Cancer area, so we are feeling What type of the climate? Winter climate, low temperature. That's what pressure, opposite pressure will create. Opposite pressure in the sense, what is that in the sense? High pressure develops. High pressure develops. High pressure, where it is developing in the sense, it develops over North India. It develops over North India as well as North India, fully high pressure develops. Okay, yes. Then northwesterly wind is the kind of wind, name of the wind. Northwesterly, westerly, easterly wind, westerly wind. It's the name of the wind. Okay, yes, northwesterly wind, blows down the Indus and Ganges Valley. This is the Indus and Ganges Valley. Yes, northwesterly wind blows down in the Indus and Ganges. Indus, this area fully Indus and Ganges Valley. Okay, like that they are telling. At this time, South India. Okay, South India climate water. South Indian people, what type of the temperature we are experiencing in the sense? 22 degrees Celsius we are experiencing. Okay, 22 degrees Celsius temperature we are experiencing. At the same time, northern Great Plains area people, 10 degrees Celsius they are experiencing. At the same time, Punjab people only 6 degrees Celsius temperature only they are experiencing during the time of the winter. See, concept is very easy, students. Because of the low temperature, high pressure develops over the northern part of India. Yes, high pressure develops over the northern part of India. So that time, the condition of South India, they are thinking. What is the condition of South India? Yes, South India temperature, how much? How much degree? 22 degrees Celsius. 22 degrees Celsius. At the same time, northern plains people, 10 degrees Celsius. Punjab people, 6 degrees Celsius temperature they are experiencing. Okay, during the time of the winter season. So during this season, what are the states are getting the rainfall? What are the states are getting the rainfall? Yes, we are getting the rainfall during the winter. Yes, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. See the location I am showing, children. Location I am showing. The Tamil Nadu, in the sense, this is Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu. This is Kerala. Okay, this is Tamil Nadu, this is Kerala, as well as western part of the Himalayas. This is western part. See, this is western side. Yes, western side. So, western part of the Himalayas, receives rainfall. Okay, during the time of the winter season. Moreover, jet streams also plays very important role. Yes, it's very, very important question. It's not given in your book that much briefly, children. Jet streams, that's a powerful wind. Yes, it blows over the upper layer of the atmosphere, like that I said, is it? So jet streams plays very important role to bring the disturbances. The disturbances, jet streams okay, so jet streams plays very important role to bring these disturbances from the Mediterranean Sea. Yes, from the Mediterranean Sea. Yes, the Tamil medium students, how they are learning, Mediterranean Sea, Mathiya Tharaikadal பகுதியில் உள்ள காற்றழுத்த தாழ்வு மண்டலத்தை இங்க கொண்டு வரும். We understand? Yes, during the winter season, students, during the winter season, jet streams plays very important role to bring these disturbances from the Mediterranean Sea to India. Yes, it travels across Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Afterwards, it is entering into Punjab, through Punjab, Haryana, and gives heavy rainfall to Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and gives snowfall to the Jammu Kashmir area. Okay, so this is the role of jet streams during the time of the winter season. Okay, during the time of the winter season, jet streams plays very important role. Yes, how can we tell? Yes, how can we tell in the sense during winter season, during winter period, in the Mediterranean Sea, yes, in Europe, Mediterranean Sea is there. From there, it brings the low pressure depressions. Low pressure depressions, what is that in the sense? காற்றழுத்த தாழ்வு மண்டலம். Okay, so it brings low pressure depressions to India. It travel across Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Finally, it is entering into Punjab. Okay, Punjab, Haryana, it gives heavy rainfall, as well as Himachal Pradesh also is giving the rainfall, and snowfall it gives to Jammu Kashmir area. So these are the things are given in the winter season para. Okay, winter para, these are the things are given. It's very easy, I think so. Yes, if you have the doubt in the sense, you can ask me. Okay, after reopening, you can ask me what are the doubts are there. If you have doubt, you can clarify with me. Okay, then moreover, it is not given what I am going to tell you in the sense. Two types of this snowfall as well as the winter rainfall. It's very helpful for the cultivation of wheat. Okay, cultivation of wheat. Yes, you know very well. Yes, the wheat cultivation place in the sense we can tell Punjab as well as Haryana, the TV advertisement, they are showing Punjab wheat, Haryana wheat like that, Uttar Pradesh wheat like that, and they are showing. Is it so? Jet streams only, it's very helpful to bring these disturbances from Mediterranean Sea to India, and it gives heavy rainfall. So with the help of this rainfall only, which one cultivating thus? That's in the sense, wheat is cultivating there more. Okay, wheat is cultivating more. Okay, two types of the wheats are there. It is not given in your book, children. Two types of the wheats are there: winter wheat and spring wheat. Winter wheat and spring wheat. Okay, there are two types of the wheats are there. Okay, there are two types of the wheats are there. One is winter wheat. The second one is spring wheat. Okay, so you can note down because it is not given in your book. The next one, summer season. Summer season. What is that? Summer season, which month to which month? Yes, we can recollect once, children. In summer month, in the sense hot weather season. Hot weather season. Nowadays we are experiencing whatever rainfall if we get also, we used to feel, otherwise we used to experience little hot, is it? So that is the speciality of the summer climate. Okay, summer season. Okay, so March to May is a severe summer. So what are the things are given in your book? Yes, I am going to tell now. Okay, side by side you can check the book also as well as my teaching also, you can check it. Okay, children. Summer season in the sense March to May, like that just before I said, during this season. Okay, during this season the sun rays, vertically overhead in the peninsular India. Okay, sun rays, vertically overhead in vertically overhead in the peninsular India. That's what peninsular India in the sense we people only. Is it? So sun rays vertically overhead in the Tropic of Cancer, otherwise peninsular India. So what type of the climate we are experiencing? Hot and dry climate. Yes, during this season hot and as well as dry climate. Yes. So in the initial part of the climate, so in your book what is given? This in the initial part of the summer season, yes, we are experiencing hot as well as dry climate, but at the same time, middle as well as later part, the whole part of India, entire country is influenced by, sometimes rain, sometimes hail, like that given in your book, H-A-I-L. Yes, H-A-I-L, hail in the sense, what is the meaning? Snowfall. Yes, what is the meaning? Snowfall. Some areas, northern part of India, they were experiencing snowfall sometimes. So because during the time of the summer season, yes, during the time of the summer season, the countries and some areas, the country is influenced. Country in the sense India. Yes, India is influenced by thunderstorms associated with rain, and sometimes with the hail, like that they are telling. Hail in the sense, what is that? What is the meaning? Snowfall, like that they are telling. Then moreover, during this season, during the summer season, temperature starts increasing. Okay, starts increasing all over the country. Okay, all over the country temperature starts increasing, and by April month, the mean temperature, yes, what is the temperature of that time? That by April month, what is the temperature in the sense? South India temperature 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. At the same time, central part of India in the sense, what is that? See, which area? The central part of India. Yes, that temperature, it will be increased. It's hot temperature, severe temperature, 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius temperature they are experiencing. Who in the central part of the people, central part of India. Okay, during the time of summer. At the same time, summer, that the southern part of India, we people, how much degrees Celsius we are experiencing? 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius temperature we are experiencing, is it? So many places, students, you can check your map. Students. I already told you, is it you have to sit with one copy, that India outline copy. You can take it. If you have, you can take it, children. Otherwise, you can check some other lessons, and then the first lesson, and then they are giving the maps. With the help of that, you can check it, children. What are the places are there? Yes, many places in Gujarat. Okay, Gujarat in the sense, you see, so our father of our nation, birthplace is Porbandar. Yes, Gujarat. Yes, like a hand, India's hand, like that. It's look like. So this is Gujarat. Okay, so Rajasthan area, this is the dark desert location area, dark desert location area. Okay, Rajasthan as well as Gujarat. and the northern part of Maharashtra. Maharashtra, where it is in the sense, this is the Maharashtra. So northern part of Maharashtra, northern part of Madhya Pradesh. So wherever in the sense, students are telling, listen carefully. This is Gujarat, this is Gujarat, this is Rajasthan, this is northern part of Maharashtra, this is northern part of Madhya Pradesh, Madhya, center. Okay, so Madhya, center. Okay, students, so these are the places, shows. In your book, what is given in the sense? Exhibit, like that one word is there. Exhibit, what is the spelling in that sense? E-X-H-I-B-I-T. As exhibit, like that one word is there. What is the meaning of that in the shows? Kaatugirathu. Okay, shows. Okay. So that's the thing. These are the areas that shows high daytime temperature. High daytime temperature. At the same time, night in the sense low temperature. Night time low temperature. Daytime in the sense high temperature. So these are the things are there. Okay, during the time of the summer season. Okay, during the time of the summer season. Because of the atmospheric pressure. Because of the atmospheric pressure conditions. The wind is blowing from the southwest to northeast direction in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. See students, during the time of the summer season only. Okay, nowadays we are receiving the rainfall in the sense. Nowadays we are receiving rainfall. Now how it is happening? Because of this one. See, because of the atmospheric pressure. Because of the atmospheric pressure. Yes, the wind is blowing from காற்று எந்ததிலிருந்து வீசுதுன்னா, yes, the wind is blowing from the southwest to northeast direction in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Okay, Bay of Bengal. So they bring, yes, this one is that southwest monsoon as well as northeast monsoon. That wind is blowing over Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. No. So this wind, bring pre-monsoon showers along the west coast of India. This is the west coast. Okay, along the west coast of India. Okay, so along the west coast during the month of May. During the month of May. Students, listen carefully. Listen carefully, children. Because of the atmospheric pressure condition, the wind is blowing. Yes, the wind is blowing from the southwest. Southwest in the sense, what is that? See, this is the southwest. This is south. This is west. From the southwest towards the northeast, it is blowing during the month of May over Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Okay. So this wind only bring the pre-monsoon showers. Yes, along the west coast. Along the west coast in the month of May. In the month of May. Okay, children. So there are few thunder showers. Nowadays we are experiencing rainfall now. So that time we are hearing the thunder. Yes, thunder as well as lightning also we are hearing as well as we are checking. Is it? We are seeing. Is it? So thunder showers called as mango showers. Mango showers. This mango showers is very helpful to them. Quick ripening of mangoes. Mangoes எல்லாம் சீக்கிரமாவே பழுக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த காற்று மழையும் தான் உதவுதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so this pre-monsoon showers brings a few thunder showers called mango showers. Mango showers is very helpful for the quick ripening of mangoes. Okay, along the coast of Kerala, as well as Karnataka. Later that this is Kerala, this is Karnataka. Students, you can check it, the map. Okay, this is Kerala. Under that I marked, I think so, Kerala as well as Karnataka area. Okay, so the next one word answer is how they will be asking in the question paper. How they will ask in the sense, the local storms in the northeastern part of India dash. The local storms in the northeastern part of India is dash. Yes, what is the answer in the sense? Nor'westers, otherwise called as Kalbai-Shaki. Nor'westers otherwise called as Kalbai-Shaki. Yes, so that is the thing, children. That is the thing. Kalbai-Shaki. Yes, then the Kalbai-Shaki otherwise called as local storms, otherwise severe violent thunder associated with the strong winds and the rain lasting for short durations. So within a short period it will be over, like that they are given. That's all. Okay, then it occurs. Okay, where it is in the sense it occurs over the eastern and the northeastern part. Eastern part in the sense this side. Okay, eastern part as well as the northeastern part of the country in the sense Bihar. Yes, Bihar where it is in the sense this is Bihar, this is West Bengal, this is Assam. So these areas, this is the northeastern part of the country. So these are the countries only they are. These are the states only. These are the states only they are getting the benefit because of the nor'westers. Yes, nor'westers, local storms. Nor'westers in the sense what is that? Local storms. Yes, local storms of northeastern part of India is called as nor'westers, otherwise called as Kalbai Shaki. Okay, so this much only it is given under the summer para. Okay, the next one, what is that in the sense? Very, very easy children. Moreover, that is the essay answer. Moreover, that is the essay answer. Children, please listen. Yes, please listen. You know that next one, you know that southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon in the sense rainy season. Yes, rain. So schools and all reopen. Every year it used to reopen. June month, is it? So June month, you know, the first day, second day itself, we used to experience heavy rainfall. Is it heavy rainfall? Southwest monsoon in the sense தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று. Yes, தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று. So தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று. So this is the southwest monsoon season. Southwest monsoon in the sense June to September. So June to September southwest monsoon is there. So what are the things are given in your book? Yes, I am going to tell now children. This is very interesting. Moreover, this is the essay answer. If you are listening in the sense, it will be very, very easy. Okay, it will be very easy children. Listen carefully. The southwest monsoon starts from the first week of June. Okay, southwest monsoon starts from the first week of June and it covers the entire part of the country. Yes, entire part of the country. Okay, entire part of the country by July 15. June first week it starting. June first week it is starting, as well as when it is covering the whole part of India in the sense. When it is covering. Yes, when it is covering in the sense July 15, you know, it is covering the whole, that is southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon is influenced by the global phenomenon like El Nino effect. Because of the El Nino effect only, the sun south, it is fixing. El Nino effect only is fixing the arrival or delay of southwest monsoon. Okay, that's a weather phenomena. Yes, weather phenomena. Yes, which one? El Nino effect. What is given in your book? It's not given, children. You can take down the notes. Otherwise, you know, after reopening also you can ask me. Okay, El Nino effect, teachers, they may give, I think so. Okay, children. So El Nino effect in the sense, what is given in your, it's not given like that I said. No, it's a complex weather phenomena. Yes, so that appears once in every 5 to 10 years, bringing flood, drought and other weather extremes to the different parts of the world. Okay, so I told just before, drought, like that I said, it's a drought in the sense El Nino only, you know, it brings the drought. Yes, because of the delay of monsoon, what will happen? Otherwise no rainfall in the sense, what will happen? Yes, farmers or otherwise agriculturalists in the sense, they were used to only the irrigation, but the irrigation facilities only they will keep using, isn't it? So they cannot get the rainwater, you know, what they will do, isn't it? It's very difficult for them, isn't it? So that's what they are telling. Drought in the sense varachi. Okay, the next one, you know, flood, what is the meaning? Flood in the sense overflow of water. Okay, vella perukku. Yes, so and other weather extremes to the different parts of the world. Yes, who is bringing El Nino. Yes, El Nino. Then it is also a cause for the delay. Yes, a delay, what is the meaning? Late arrival. Okay, delay in the sense, what is the meaning? Late arrival of southwest monsoon. Onset in India. Onset in the sense, already I told you, starts in India. Okay, தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று தொடங்குவதற்கு தாமதமாகிறது என்றால் யாருதான் காரணம்? El Nino effect only responsible for that. That's a thing. Okay, so then before starting the southwest monsoon, in your book it is given, children, before starting the southwest monsoon, India experiencing, especially the northern India. Okay, the northern part of India experiencing what type of the climate in the sense nearly 46 degrees Celsius temperature. Here 46 degrees Celsius temperature before starting the southwest monsoon. Okay, தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று தொடங்குவதற்கு முன்னால North India people, they were experiencing 46 degree Celsius temperature. Okay, so that time only, yes, that time in the sense that is June month, June first week. Okay, the sudden approach. Okay, yes, over South India, you can watch it here. The sudden approach of monsoon wind over South India with lightning and thunderstorms is termed as break or burst of monsoon. பருவநிலை வெடிப்புன்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? break or burst of monsoon. The sudden approach of monsoon wind along with the thunderstorms and lightning, okay, over South India is termed as break, like that they are telling. Break or burst of monsoon. Break or burst of monsoon. It lowers the like that one word is given now. Lower in the sense, what is the meaning? It decrease the temperature of India. Okay, to decrease in the sense, what is the meaning? Okay, for temperature will be fall. Yes, because of the onset of southwest monsoon. Because of the onset in the sense, what is that? Starting of southwest monsoon. Okay, so that's the thing, children. Then southwest monsoon, this is the essay answer. It's very, very interesting, children. Listen carefully, children. Listen carefully. Southwest monsoon can be divided into two. Okay, southwest monsoon, this is the essay answer. I am going to teach now, children. Yes, listen carefully. Essay part, 5 mark answer. You can get 5 out of 5 if you are listening. Okay, so southwest monsoon, it has been divided into two, like that I said. It has been divided into two, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, so I am going to draw in front of you, children. See, listen, children. Children, listen. So Arabian Sea, in the sense, the first branch of the sea, two branches, like that I said, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. From the Arabian Sea branch, the first part of the wind started to strike against the Western Ghats. Okay, so here only Western Ghat is there. So it strikes the first part of the first branch of the Arabian Sea. The first part of the Arabian Sea branch, it strikes against the Western Ghats. It gives heavy rainfall in the west coast plain. For example, here Mumbai is here. Maharashtra, like that I said already, I think so. Yes, so this area only Mumbai receives more than 150 centimeter rainfall. At the same time, nearby that only, nearby Mumbai only, Pune is there. Pune is getting less than 50 centimeter rainfall. What is the reason? In the sense, already I told you, I think so, in the last class, this one. Okay, Mumbai is located in the windward side of the mountain. Yes, Mumbai is located in the windward side of the mountain. Okay, Mumbai is located in the windward side of the mountain. So that's what, it is receiving the heavy rainfall, that is more than 150 centimeter rainfall. 150 centimeter rainfall. Okay, 150 centimeter rainfall. Mumbai is getting. Here, this is the windward side of the mountain. Mumbai is located in the windward side of the mountain. What is the meaning of the windward side of the mountain? It is located very closer to the Western Ghats. That's what they are telling, windward side of the mountain. So at the same time, Pune, is located in the leeward side of the mountain. Leeward side in the sense, what is the opposite side of the mountain? Opposite side of the mountain. So that's what, it is receiving. What is receiving? Very less rainfall, less than 50 centimeter rainfall, like that they are telling. Okay, so the first branch alone I taught. Okay, first branch, what I said in the sense, that from the Arabian Sea, it started to blow towards Western Ghats. Okay, it receives the heavy rainfall. Yes, who receives heavy rainfall? In the sense, West Coast plain, everyone, they are receiving heavy rainfall. For example, Mumbai is getting more than 150 centimeter rainfall because it is located in the windward side of the mountain, like that I said, is it? So at the same time, Pune is located in the leeward side of the mountain. That's what it is receiving very less rainfall, that is less than 50 centimeter rainfall. Then second part of the Arabian Sea branch. Second part of the Arabian Sea branch, it strikes against it strikes and it blows through Vindhya. See, this is Narmada, this is Tapti. Okay, I drawn one line now. This is Narmada, this is Tapti. See here in between Vindhya is there. This is Vindhya, this is Satpura. Okay, so it blows through Vindhya and Satpura mountain and it strikes against Raj Mahal hills. It strikes against the Raj Mahal hills and it gives heavy rainfall to Chota Nagpur area. Okay, students, this wind, you know what type of the wind in the sense? Moisture laden wind. Moisture laden wind, what is the meaning in the sense? Eerapadathudan koodiya kaatru. Okay, so that's what you know, it's a laden wind. Okay, laden in the sense it has the ability to climb up. Okay, it has the ability to climb up. Laden, moisture laden wind. So that's what you know. Second part of the Arabian Sea branch blows through Vindhya and Satpura and it strikes against the Raj Mahal hills and it gives heavy rainfall to the Chota Nagpur area. Okay, the third branch of the Arabian Sea branch. Third part of the Arabian Sea branch, it is moving towards Rajasthan. It is moving towards Rajasthan. Okay, so but here unfortunately by nature, what is there in the sense? Who is there? Yes, what is there in the sense? Aravalli mountains stand parallel to the direction of southwest monsoon. Aravalli mountain is Aravalli mountain is stand parallel. Parallel, what is that? It's standing parallel. Listen, it's standing equally to the southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon-க்கு இணையாக இந்த காற்றிற்கு இணையாக எது இருக்குதுன்னா Aravalli mountain. So that's what it couldn't move beyond the Aravalli. So that's what you know western part of Rajasthan remains desert. Yes, it's a nature. Okay, so because of the Aravalli mountain, yes, because of the Aravalli mountain, what is happening here? Yes, Rajasthan area, you know. Yes, Rajasthan area, what is there? Desert is there, dark desert because of the Aravalli mountain. Yes, second part of the Arabian Sea branch. Second part of the Arabian Sea branch, you know, it moves, I told just before, the second part over. Third part in the sense to move towards Rajasthan, but you know, unfortunately, what is there in the sense? What is standing there in the sense? Aravalli mountain. Aravalli mountain is standing parallel to the southwest monsoon. That's what it couldn't move beyond the Aravalli. Beyond the Aravalli. So that's what children. Yes. So here what is going on here? You know that Aravalli mountains. That's what you know that western part of Rajasthan remains a desert like that. They are telling. Okay. Okay, children. The next one, you know, then afterwards this moisture laden wind, you know, it moves towards Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himalayas. It moves towards the Himalayas and at the foothills of the Shivalik, you know, it merged, what is the meaning in this? Joined with the Bay of Bengal branch. Yes, Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, so this is, you know, Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch has consisted. 3 parts are there. Is in your book it is given clearly, children. The first part of the wind, it strikes against the western Ghats. It gives heavy rainfall to Mumbai. It's at the same time, you know, Pune is getting very less than 50 centimeter rainfall. Reason also I said it is located at the leeward side of the mountain. Leeward side of the mountain, like that I said. Okay, children. Leeward side in the sense what is that? You know, opposite side of the mountain. Opposite side of the mountain. Okay, children. Yes. The next one, you know, that the third branch also I said is it because of that only Rajasthan, you know, it remains a desert because Aravalli is standing is parallel to the direction of southwest monsoon, like that I said. Is it finally this wind, you know, it reaches to the Himalayas, otherwise Himachal Pradesh, under the foothills of the Shivalik, under the foothills of the Shivalik, you know, it merges with the Bay of Bengal and it gives heavy rainfall under the foothills of the Himalayas. You know, it gives heavy rainfall. So this much only Arabian Sea branch, children. The next branch, you know, Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch. Okay. So Bay of Bengal branch, how they are telling in the sense in your book, what is given in the sense, the Bay of Bengal branch. This wind, you know, this wind move towards northeastern part of India. Northeastern part of India as well as Myanmar. This is Myanmar. Myanmar otherwise called as Burma. Myanmar otherwise called as Burma. Yes, it moves towards the northeastern part of the country. Northeastern part of the country in the sense mainly Bihar, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Yes, Meghalaya, those places it's receiving the heaviest rainfall. Heaviest rainfall. Okay, so here when the wind is moving, yes, the Bay of Bengal branch started to move, here this wind, this Bay of Bengal branch wind is trapped. In your book it is given trapped. What is the meaning in the sense? Prevented. Yes, stopped. Okay, so prevented by Gasi, Garo and Jainisha hills. Gasi, Garo and Jainisha hills. Yes, so because of that mountain, this wind couldn't move beyond that, and it gives, yes, it strikes against those mountains, and it gives heaviest rainfall in Meghalaya. Yes, in Meghalaya, one word answer is there, children. In Meghalaya, listen, in Meghalaya, Masanram is there. Masanram in the sense world's heaviest rainfall area. Okay, world's heaviest rainfall area. Masanram. Yes, it's how much centimeter rainfall they are getting in the sense 1141 centimeter rainfall they are getting. Okay, 1141 centimeter they are receiving. Okay, Masanram people, often they used to carry the umbrellas. Is it? Often every day, we people, only during the rainy season only we are carrying the umbrellas. Those people, every day they used to carry the umbrellas. Okay, so it is given, the picture is given in your book. When you are getting time, please note down that also. Okay, it is that Masanram, where it is located? Meghalaya. Assam. See, Assam as well as Meghalaya. See, Assam, this one in the sense, this one Assam, Meghalaya. Okay, Assam. See, this one Assam, Assam, this one Meghalaya receives heaviest rainfall. Heaviest rainfall. Okay, 1141 centimeter rainfall, world's heaviest rainfall. Okay, so that place is located in India. Yes, so overall 75% of the rainfall we are receiving through the southwest monsoon. தென்மேற்கு பருவமழையின் மூலமாக overall 75% of rainfall, we are receiving like that. They are telling. Okay, so but unfortunately we couldn't get the rainfall because our area, I am telling, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu, it lies in the rain shadow region during the time of the southwest monsoon. It's a lies in the leeward side, otherwise a rain shadow region. Rain shadow region in the sense malai maraivu pradesamaga ulladu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. So that's what, in your book it is given. It is getting meager rainfall. Meager spelling MEAGRE like that. Meager in the sense, what is the meaning? You can underline and then write it. Less rainfall. Meager rainfall in the sense, what is that, children? Less rainfall. The next one, the last one, children. The last one, retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon, otherwise called as northeast monsoon. After the completion of this one, I have to give the notes also, children. So this one is the last one, northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon, otherwise called as retreating monsoon. Yes, again it is coming. Okay, from North India, it is going to be coming here. So that's what they are telling. Retreating monsoon, otherwise northeast monsoon. Okay, the southwest monsoon starts. Okay, in your book what is given in the sense begins like that. I am telling starts. Okay, starts to retreat from North India. By the end of September due to the southward shifting of pressure belt. Okay, due to the southward shifting of pressure belt, the pressure belt, everything from North India, now it is moving, it is shifting towards South India. So that's what this wind is coming back, retreating back. Okay, which wind in the sense? Northeast monsoon. So which force is responsible in the sense? The Coriolis force. That's a kind of force. Okay, physics teachers, they might have taught, I think so, this one, the Coriolis force. It flaps the wind, it's divided the wind and makes it to blow from where? From the northeast. The wind is blowing towards the south. Hence, it is known as northeast monsoon, otherwise called as retreating monsoon. Okay, so during this time, is whatever areas they are getting benefit in the sense Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Yes, the interior part of Karnataka. Yes, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, interior part of Karnataka, as well as Kerala also, they are getting the rainfall. Good rainfall like that they are giving in your book. Good rainfall like that. They are given, it's accounted 35% of rainfall, annual account like that. It is given in your book if you have the time, if you are getting time, you can check it that. Okay, so many people, so during that time, yes, our coastal area people, many of them lost their lives as well as the property because During the time of this time, the northeast monsoon, it brings, cyclones as well as storms. Okay, nearly 8 cyclones. 8 cyclones are there totally. 4 major cyclones and 4 minor cyclones it brings. Okay, during those time, those times the coastal area people, they are suffering a lot. Yes, every year, yes, they were meeting. They met heavy loss as well as their property also totally damaged. Okay, along the seashore of Tamil Nadu as well as Andhra people. Yes, so that's the thing, children. The next one, daytime temperature. So that time, okay, because of during the time of the northeast monsoon, the daytime temperature, okay, starts decreased all over the country. Yes, overall the entire part of the country, it's decreased. The temperature, totally decreased, like that they are telling. Yes, the mean temperature. Yes, why they are telling in the sense, why the October month, the 38 degrees Celsius. 38 degrees Celsius, I am telling about that northwestern part of India, in the sense this area, northwestern part of India, climate I am telling, October month, 38 degrees Celsius. At the same time, yes, in the November month, 10 degrees Celsius, it less, you can less 10 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius only, the temperature is there. Okay, so because of the arrival of the northeast monsoon, otherwise called as retreating monsoon. It comes from where? It comes from the northeastern part of the country, northeastern part of India. Yes, because of what? The southward moving. Which one is south? Southward shifting of pressure. Southward shifting of pressure. Because of that, moreover, the Coriolis force was responsible for bringing this wind to southern part of India. Yes, this is called as northeast monsoon, otherwise called as retreating monsoon. The next one, what is given in your book in the sense, children? Yes, it is given in your book 2.3, I think so. Page number 102. Page number 102. Sorry. Page number 102, it is given distribution of rainfall. So two types, it has been divided into two. Okay, distribution rainfall, two yes, what other things are there in the sense? Heavy rainfall area as well as low rainfall area. Heavy rainfall area, what are the areas are there in the sense? Heavy rainfall in the sense more than 200 centimeter rainfall, like that they are taking. Okay, you know very well. Yes, from my teaching you can understand, I think so. Western Ghats area, western coastal plain we can tell. Yes, western coastal plain we can tell. Yes, as well as that Assam, Meghalaya area we can tell. Yes, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, the Seven Sisters area, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, that southern part of Meghalaya, Assam area. Yes, then so these are the areas in that heavy rainfall area, more than 200 centimeter rainfall. The same time, low rainfall, less than low rainfall in the sense less than 100 centimeter rainfall. Less than 100 centimeter rainfall wherever in the sense the whole part of Rajasthan. Okay, that desert area, the whole part of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, western and southwest part of Uttar Pradesh. Yes, Uttar Pradesh area, western Madhya Pradesh area, as well as the whole part of Plateau region. Whole part of Plateau, Deccan Plateau, the Peninsular Plateau, whole part of the region receiving only the less than 100 centimeter rainfall. Okay, so this much is only, students. So when you are getting that time, you have to learn is everything. So now we can mark everything, students. It's very limited time is there, so we can mark fastly, children. Students, already I told you to mark, I made you to mark 4 questions, I think so. Okay, today 5th question you can mark. Page number 100 you can take it. Page number 100, seasons para 2.2.1 seasons para, first line onwards, first line meteorologist onwards till December you can mark it. 5. Small answer 5, detail 5, like that, you should not mark. Roman letter 5. Okay, Roman letter 5. The next one, page number 101. Here it is given. See, students, look at here. Page number 101. Page number, you can check my book. So this area, this side. Okay, so prior onwards, prior to the onset. Onset in the sense I told already starts. Okay, there onwards, 5, 6 till 8th or 7th line. 7th or 8th line, large extent, till that, 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. Moreover, 5, 7 answer, page number 102, page number 102, page number 102, distribution of rainfall para, distribution of rainfall para, in the middle, that para middle, or 8 lines after I think so, the western coast onwards, western coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland onwards, 5, 7, till, for 4 lines after, till 200 centimeter rainfall, till 200 centimeter rainfall. Okay children, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, okay. Then, students, 5, 7 over, the next one. Then one essay I taught in Southwest Monsoon, page number 101, page number 101, Southwest Monsoon or rainy season para, first line onwards, 8-1, 8-1, 8-1, till meager rainfall. That para full, Southwest Monsoon para full. You can underline meager in the sense less. Meager in the sense less. Last line it's given, meager, M-E-A-G-R-E. M-E-A-G-R-E, meager rainfall like that given, no? So less rainfall. Then in between the sentence, from the last, or 10th line I think so, from the last para, from the last point of the para, trapped. Trapped in the sense, what is that? Prevented. Prevented. Otherwise stopped also you can write. Prevented spelling P-R-E-V-E-N-T-E-D. Prevented. Otherwise stopped. S-T-O-P-P-E-D. S-T-O-P-P-E-D. Stopped. Stopped. Written I think so. Children, we marked 7 questions as well as 1 essay also we marked I think so. Okay, 2 more essays I have to teach, 1 essay only over. 2 more essays, it's very easy I think so. Next class I hope I will complete this lesson. Okay, moreover I have to give the notes also children. So please be ready with your rough note in the next class. Okay, so remaining questions, give reason questions as well as distinguished questions also I have to give. Okay, fastly I will teach and then I will give the notes. Okay, so next one, so next this much only. Yeah, the next year take your rough note and then write down 8 minutes more. Take your rough note children. You can note down that give reason answer 8 minutes more. Students, you can give reason answer. I am going to give the notes. Give reason, that is 7-1, 7-1, 7-1. The first one question you can note down later. Answer will be western coastal plains. Western coastal plains do not contain deltas. Do not contain deltas, which in turn makes the plains narrow. Makes the plains narrow, comma, as there is lack of lack of widening, 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 due to the absence of deposits, due to the absence, ABSENCE, absence of deposits, 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 full stop. This answer over children, the first answer over. Second answer you can copy down, question you can copy down. Second answer is, the general climate of India is, the general climate of India is described as, the general climate of India is described as tropical monsoon type of climate. Tropical monsoon type of climate. Tropical monsoon type of climate. Second point write in that question, same question, second point. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word masim. Within the quotation you can write it. Quotation. Then the quotation you can write it, children. Mausum. M-A-U-S-I-M. If you have the doubt, you can check it. You can check it with the help of the book. You can write it. Yes, mausum. M-A-U-S-I-M. Mausum. Meaning reversal of winds. Meaning reversal of winds. Meaning reversal of winds. Full stop. Third one. The winds that reverse. R-E-V-E-R-S-E. Students, 5 minutes more. Please copy down fast. R-E-V-E-R-S-E. Reverse their. T-H-E-I-R. Their directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions completely. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-L-Y. Completely. Between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between summer and winter. Summer, S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer and A-N-D. Winter, W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter are known as monsoon winds. Monsoon winds. Full stop. Second question over. Third question copy down. Third question you can later copy down. Children, the first day 1 class I taught, I think so, this one. Day 1 class. The third question. First point. In the atmosphere, atmosphere, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere, temperature decreases about 6.5 degrees Celsius with the increasing height for every 1000 meter. Increasing height for every 1000 meter. Second point, it is called as normal lapse rate. Normal lapse rate. It is called as normal lapse rate. Third point, hence places in the mountains are cooler than the plains. Cooler than the places on the plains. Cooler than the places on the plains. Last point, example, Ooty, O-O-T-Y, Ooty, Kodaikanal, K-O-D-A-I-K-A-N-A-L, Kodaikanal, Nainital, N-A-I-N-I-T-A-L, Nainital, and Mussoorie, M-U-S-S-O-U-R-I, Mussoorie, etc. etc. One full stop, etc. Okay, children. So give reason 3 answers I had given. One essay I gave. Okay. Moreover, you marked question answers also. That 7 questions you marked, I think so. Students, 3 minutes more before that you can mark it. That choose the best answer. Page number 109. First one is weather. Second one is summer. Third one Punjab. Fourth one mango showers. Fifth one you leave it. Sixth one tropical monsoon climate. Seventh one later. Okay, because after teaching only I can tell. Match the following. Only one answer you can mark, I think so. That is the third answer. Northeast monsoon season. Month October to December. Then Roman letter 3 you can mark it. Option A. A is the correct answer. Second one also A is the correct answer. Then fourth one, Roman letter fourth one, inappropriate answer. Inappropriate. Wrong answer only they are asking us to mark. Yes. So the first one desert. First answer is a desert. Second answer is soil, like that you can mark it. Okay, children. We are at the end of the class. Okay. It's the next class. I will teach the remaining portion as well as I will give the notes. When you are getting time, please learn that answers, especially that essay answer is very important. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Next class we can finish. Okay.